don't wanna waste your time, and you don't wanna waste mine. Using words that I can't describe.
Welcome to my channel. So my name is Keymee K, and we are going to be doing another hair review. So this unit was sent to me from Beauty Forever Hair, so thank you to them for sponsoring this video. So as per usual, in your box you do have the goodies. You have the edge band, you have a makeup brush, they do give you eyelashes, and then there is wig caps. Those wig caps that you do see now that are in your box are going to be like the thin wig caps for when you want to do the ball cap method. On my head I have the regular wig cap, but once you like place an order and everything and you see that new packaging, you'll know that's for you to do like the ball cap method, because it's really thin and lightweight. So this unit is going to be a 13 by 4 body wave unit. It is a burgundy highlight wig. It is a loose wave. So you have two combs in the front, one comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and then it does have the adjustable headband in there. So this unit is completely glueless. I'm installing this unit straight out of the box, and we are not gluing this unit down. We are just going to be wearing it with just using the elastic band to help us keep it in place. So as you can see, starting out by the hair color, this unit is so freaking pretty, like a gorgeous color. You will notice on this tutorial I did not curl this unit. I just wore it straight out of the pack, so it's just giving the regular curls that it's going to come in. So starting out, I'm going to go ahead and tint my lace. I am using my foundation to go ahead and tint the lace. I've been using the Kiss, but I went back to using my foundation. After that, I'm going to use the Beyond Your Heat to go ahead and just brush the hair back, because I did want to just pull the hair back so you can see the hairline, because since we're doing a glueless, you know, I just wanted to give hairline. The hairline on this unit is pre-plucked, so you're not going to have to do anything as far as plucking the hairline. And then I don't recall it coming with baby hair, so if you want to add them, you can go ahead and do that. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace. And as you can see, when you cut off the lace, like the lace melts flawlessly into the skin. Like, look at that. It looks so freaking nice. So freaking nice. Like, very pretty. I love how this unit looks. And I love, like, the highlights is so freaking gorgeous. It's like, this right here is like one of those Valentine's Day wigs, like so freaking gorgeous. So for the sides, the only thing that's flapping is like the sideburn parts on each side. So I'm gonna just put me some sideburns and cut the hair off. And then I didn't show it because I think I don't know what I did with the clip, but I did spray the even spray only on the root that is by the sideburns, and you won't see that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the sideburns, and then I did go ahead and curl them, and then I put the even on the root of the sideburn. I don't know why I don't have the clip of that, but that's what I did. And I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to go ahead and conceal that part. You can see like my wig cap a little bit, but once I do apply my concealer and my powder, you won't really see it too much. And you know what? I didn't have that part because my dogs kept knocking over my camera. They kept bumping into it. So you will kind of see a little bit more that like it look like it's wiggling. That's them in the background playing. So I put that even on the root. and I do this to cover the powder, so if it gets anywhere, it'll kind of dissolve that powder away. And as you can see, the part looks a whole lot better. You do not have to pluck the part also. And then this is the hairline and what it's given. Like I said, with this unit, I did not. Oh, if you hear my dog's background, oh my god, they over here playing now. I did not curl this unit. All I did was brush the unit down. I did not put any gel or nothing to hold this unit down. The only spray I have is on that root and on the sideburns. Other than that, this is a glueless install. And then, like I said, I brushed the hair out. I didn't go in and curl this unit, so you are getting it straight out of the pack. All I did was cut off the lace. So if you are a beginner, and this right here looks so good, like no plucking, anything required at all. So if you're a beginner and you want to look like your best, or you want to just get a unit and you scared, like this one is colored. The color is pretty. It's gonna give a silky texture, and this is what it looks like after I have kind of did my makeup and the curls have kind of settled. So they did kind of drop just a little bit more, but other than that, it's such a gorgeous unit. I did not have too much tangling nor shedding, so I will leave a link down below on where you can purchase this unit at. Also, if there is a discount code, it will be in the description box. Like I said, this is such a gorgeous unit. Just think if I would have curled this unit up, like, girl,